Cute hands in sweater. Ah, it's my bathrobe. It's my bathrobe. I love this so much. It's so fluffy and comfy and warm. I wear my bathrobe all the time. It's the best. It's the best. Beats the rest. Na 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 na. Ring 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 ring. A bathrobe. Da 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 da. Okay, just a few banana slices. Yeah, make it pretty. Ah, looks pretty. And now we pour in. If I just grab it with my bathrobe like this. Yeah, that doesn't brand, that's okay. Okay. Let's pour this beautiful thing in. It's not really much of this. Next time I would probably make a little more. This is like for kids, which is I guess what it is. Yay, thank you, Fofo. The best boyfriend ever. Yeah, this is this is not much. It's okay though. I like smaller breakfasts because I eat late. I eat breakfasts pretty late, so then if I have big breakfast, then I'm not hungry for lunch, and so it's better to have small breakfast. So I can eat lunch. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Who has the best breakfast? I do. Look at that deliciousness. Look. Doesn't it look so yummy? Doesn't it look so yummy? We need the lick emote, please. We do. We might have enough members maybe to add more emotes. Yay! Yay! I wonder if it's gonna be sweet enough, because I still think like 10 grams of sugar, really? Let's have a bite. Say ah. Say ah. Oh! Oh, thank you! Thank you so much for the super sticker! I think Alreds are probably not gonna work either. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good. It's kind of weird to have this with anything other than just cocoa powder and butter. Oh, this could totally use more butter. Like a bit of yeah. It's kind of missing butter. But it's good. I need water. Maybe I'm gonna mix it all together, like with the Biscoff. It's not gonna look that aesthetically pleasing anymore. But it's gonna be better for eating, I think.